Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from PBL-RKS503 and today we would like to present the progress of our project entitled Vulnerability Assessment and Penetration Testing 4 or VAPT 4 in short. Before we dive into the topic, let me introduce you to our project manager and the team members who have participated in this project. First is Mrs. Maidelvani, our project manager. Then there is me, Fadiananda Maulana, as team leader, followed by my member Reva Zuranti, Nafis Azamsyah, Muhammad Brahma, and last but not least, Syauqi Akbar. So, what do we do in this project? As the title suggests, we perform a comprehensive security penetration testing using PTES, OWASP WSTJ, and OWASP Top 10 frameworks to identify, analyze, and ethically exploit vulnerabilities within the target system. Also, the deliverables output of our project include a penetration testing report, a poster, and a demo video. As I've said before, we use PTES or Penetration Testing Execution Standard as the main methodology for our project. This includes 7 phases such as pre-engagement, intelligence gathering, threat modeling, vulnerability analysis, exploitation, and post-exploitation, also reporting. So as you can see on the screen, up to this mid-semester, we have completed the first 4 phases, which are pre-engagement, intelligence gathering, threat modeling, and vulnerability analysis. Where our latest progress is the vulnerability analysis phase. In this phase, we've identified several vulnerabilities which will be explained more by my teammate Reva.
Alright, let's talk about how we did the second step, intelligence gathering. In this slide, you can see how we split the jobs among the team members to cover the entire attack surface on the client. Here's how we split the work. Fadiana Maulana did website crawling. This means she used tools like wget and OSZapSpider to find and map all page and file. Reva Zuranti focused on subdomain enumeration and footprinting, finding key details like IP and open ports. Nafis Azamsyah did OSINT recon, looking at public information from places like GitHub for any leaks. Muhammad Brahma analyzed JavaScript files to find possible API endpoints. And then Muhammad Syauqi Akbar finished the phase with passive recognize, which is collecting data without active scanning. This phase gave us a strong start we needed. Next slide. Next is project progress. Our current focus is vulnerability analysis. We check our scan result to find weakness and see how bad the risk is. Our main tools for this work include OSZap, NICTO, and Nmap. So far, our progress has found some important issues. The most serious finding is CWE 89, which means potential SQL injection problems. We also found a problem under CWE 200 related to the exposure of sensitive information. We are now manually checking all these findings to be sure of their real impact.
Alright, everyone, this is the roles of each member, starting with Fadiananda Maulana as web app and backend API specialist, Reva Zuranti as network infrastructure specialist, Nafis Azamsyah as non-standard service specialist, Muhammad Brahma P as OSINT analyst, and lastly, Muhammad Syauqi Akbar as web app and that includes front end and back specialist. For the next part is logbook. In the logbook, we have treated with 4 phases such as pre-engagement interactions, intelligence gathering, threat modeling, and vulnerability analysis. The latest one.
Okay, this is for our progress in this mid-semester, which is we got 57% because we have completed the pre-engagement, intelligence gathering, threat modeling, and vulnerability analysis. And next, our project planning consists of 5 key steps. And the first, we complete vulnerability analysis. Next, we conduct control exploitation, safely testing critical vulnerabilities to show the real impact without damaging the client systems. Then we perform post-exploitation to understand the potential impact and provide mitigation recommendations. After that, we prioritize vulnerability using OS or CVSS ratings to guide which issues should be fixed first. And finally, we prepare the final deliverables, compiling a full report and executive summary for the client.
Okay, so there are several constraints we face the project, including potential false positive from automated tools, the absence of authentication or login mechanism, and tester limited experience. Next, here is following on our documentation from the meeting with our client and project manager.